Welcome to RG News. Today we're going to discuss the top 10 AI news stories of August 21, 2025.
That's right. We're in this whirlwind of AI and IT evolution. Things are moving so fast.
It really feels like innovation cycles are, months, not years anymore. It's a real challenge keeping up.
It is. But that's why we're here, right? To give you that shortcut, the key insights.
Exactly. So today we're unpacking the top 10 AI and IT news of August 21, 2025.
And this isn't just a list. It's more like a snapshot of these big converging trends.
Like what?
Well, you've got the huge race for cognitive capacity, smarter AI, then AI moving into the physical world, robots, drug design.
Uh-huh.
Then there's the whole regulatory piece, governments trying to figure out the rules, and underpinning it all, this urgent need for safety. We'll break down what really matters from each story.
Okay, let's dive in. First up, GPT-5's law. OpenAI just dropped a bombshell. Sounds like they're redefining the AI frontier again.
They really are. What's fascinating, though, is that GPT-5 isn't just one massive model. It's what they call a unified system. It has this real-time router inside.
Router, what does that do?
It basically figures out if a task is simple and needs a quick answer or complex and needs, deeper thought, routes it accordingly. Super efficient.
Okay, clever.
And get this, it hit 94.6% on the AME 2025 math benchmark. That's huge. And it did it without any external tools.
Wow. And reliability, hallucinations.
Big improvement there, too. A 65% lower hallucination rate than GPT-4. That really boosts trust, right? It opens doors for serious R&D, coding, and, a much smarter ChatGPT experience for you.
Incredible. So AI is getting smarter with code and math. But where else is that intelligence pushing boundaries? Maybe something more physical.
You read my mind. Next up. Procès Médical Historique. We're talking about AI actually designing drugs.
And designing them from scratch.
Pretty much. Isomorphic Labs, that's the Google DeepMind spinoff, their first AI-designed molecule just entered human clinical trials.
Okay, so this is beyond just predicting structures like AlphaFold.
Way beyond. Their AlphaFold 3 can actively design molecules for specific targets. Think about the impact. Slashing drug development time by years. Potentially saving hundreds of millions per drug. It's just a massive accelerator.
Years, not months. That's game-changing. Okay, so AI capabilities are soaring. Who's making the rules for all this powerful tech?
The million-dollar question leads us to Le Couperet Tombe. The EU isn't waiting around.
The AI Act in action.
Exactly. The European AI Office launched its first major investigation under the Act. They're targeting a big tech company over a high-risk AI system, maybe something like an automated free-ring tool.
And penalties?
They're serious. Fines up to 7% of global annual revenue. That's got teeth. It sends a message worldwide. AI compliance isn't optional anymore.
A global signal. But while the EU is regulating, aren't others focused on building their own path, like national tech sovereignty?
Precisely. Which brings us to Mistral AI, news item 4. Mistral AI deploy AI for citizens. This is Europe trying to carve out its own space.
Wow.
They've launched this initiative to offer open, sovereign AI solutions to governments. The idea is keeping sensitive data local, tailoring models to languages, cultures.
So resisting the sort of one-size-fits-all model from the U.S. giants.
Exactly. It's a direct challenge aiming for real digital self-determination for European nations.
Interesting geopolitical angle. Now, powering all this, the chips, the hardware, that race is intense, right?
Oh, absolutely. Item 5. NVIDIA dévoile Rubin. The competition in AI compute is just fierce.
Rubin? What's the story?
It's NVIDIA's next-gen GPU architecture, part of their aggressive 2026 roadmap. They're promising yearly leaps now. This is clearly a response to AMD.
AMD's been making waves, too.
Yeah, with their MI350 and especially the upcoming MI400 series, we're talking like 432 gigabytes of HBM4 memory, nearly 20 terabytes per second of bandwidth. It's just staggering performance.
That much memory and speed.
Right.
What does that enable?
It means you can train and run even bigger, more complex AI models faster than ever. This competition. It's fantastic news for pushing AI capabilities forward.
Right. So incredible power in the chips. Let's shift to, robots.
Yeah.
They're getting smarter too, but in a different way. Item 6 sounds fascinating. Atlas apprend par exemple. Atlas learning by watching.
Yeah, this is really cool. Boston Dynamics Atlas robot, the humanoid one. It can now learn complex tasks like picking up tools, handling soft things, even reacting if it drops something heavy,
Wow.
just by watching humans do it. They call it large behavior models. It makes the robots way more adaptable to messy real-world situations, gets us closer to truly general-purpose robot.
Learning by example. Oh. But, with all this amazing progress, there are warnings, too. Some big names are sounding the alarm.
Very serious warnings. Item 7, relent to seize. Slow down. That's the message from AI pioneers Geoffrey Hinton and Yoshua Bengio, the godfathers of AI.
Slow down on what specifically?
On developing autonomous AI agents, they're arguing that our current methods for training these things aren't safe enough, giving superintelligence the ability to act independently, to have agentivity.
Could lead to loss of control.
That's their fear. Catastrophic loss of control or malicious use, it really forces the question, are we prioritizing speed over safety? It's a heavy one.
Definitely something to think about.
Okay.
Moving from AI safety to the fundamental nature of computing. Quantum. IBM's made a leap.
A big one. Item 8. IBM brise un mur dans l'informatique quantique. They've cracked a major problem in quantum error correction.
Error correction is key for quantum, right? Makes them stable.
Exactly. Their new gross code is apparently 10 times more efficient. It means they need far fewer physical qubits to make stable logical qubits, like 288 physical for 12 logical ones.
So useful quantum computers are closer now.
Significantly closer. This could dramatically speed up discoveries in medicine, materials, areas where classical computers struggle.
Fascinating. But while we're building these powerful new tools, AI itself is becoming a tool for attack. That sounds ominous.
It is. Item 9, la nouvelle ligne de front. Researchers have demonstrated AI agents conducting fully autonomous cyber attacks.
Autonomous. The AI does it all.
Yeah. Powered by advanced language models, the AI identifies weak spots, executes the attack, covers its tracks, basically acts like an automated cyber soldier.
So it's AI versus AI in cybersecurity now.
That's where it's heading, an algorithmic arms race. We'll need AI defenses that operate at machine speed. It's a whole new ballgame.
Scary stuff. Okay, finally, item 10 takes us somewhere different. Hollywood, AI and screenwriting.
Right. Silence on tour avec une AI. A major studio greenlit a sci-fi blockbuster. The twist. The script was developed with generative AI.
With being the key word, I assume, given the writer's strike.
Absolutely key. This was done strictly following the new Writers Guild rules. AI is positioned as an assistant, a tool, not the author. Human creatives retain full control.
So a model for integrating AI collaboratively.
Exactly. It shows how negotiation and clear rules can turn AI from maybe a threat into a controlled productivity tool, even in creative fields.
Interesting way to wrap up the top 10. Lots to process there.
Definitely. And if you connect the dots across these 10 stories from August 21st, you see these big themes emerging, like the rise of AI agentivity, AI acting more independently, the geopolitics of computing power, how regulations are diverging globally, and just how pragmatically AI is being woven into almost every job. These aren't just tech updates, they're shaping society.
So what's the takeaway for everyone listening?
Well, it really underscores that staying informed isn't just nice to have, it's essential now. We're at this major inflection point.
And the future isn't set in stone.
Not at all. It's being shaped right now by these breakthroughs, these regulations, the choices we make. So looking ahead to 2026, what area of AI excites or maybe concerns you the most? Keep asking those questions.
Great thought to end on. Join us tomorrow on RG News for the day's AI news. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell.